Hi friends, on this episode we're going to do keto, a full day of eating to lose weight. I'm super pumped you're here. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button and sign up for my free keto diet meal plan, my weekly Wednesday weight loss gift to you. Now let's dive into what did I eat? Full day of eating today for the ketogenic diet to lose weight. So I started off my day going to Starbucks. Good morning, you just saw me all dressed up and now I'm not. There you go, the magic of changing. So I'm gonna pull up and give them my order, and I have my lids off of my cups already.
Good morning, what can I answer?
Good morning, I brought my own cups today.
Oh, okay.
Can I please get a Trenta iced green tea with no classic? And then can I get a Venti iced coffee with no classic and just like super, super light heavy cream, like just like a tablespoon?
Gotcha. And is your cup for the iced coffee?
Oh, I have both. Mm-hmm.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Awesome.
All right, we'll see you at the window.
Great, thank you so much. So now I'm just going to confirm that they in fact have gotten a discount off of it, because you get a little 10-cent discount, and I didn't see it ring up on the board, so I will confirm that too with the barista. So I love Starbucks now. You can, through the drive-through line, who has small kids? I do. I can go bring my reusable cups, don't have to make waste, although I did have a straw, but you can use a reusable straw. I just forgot mine. And I love starting my day off with coffee. Woohoo, coffee. And then I had my green tea for later on in the day because I did want to have a 16-8 fasting time. So that's what I did. And I had that for my first keto breakfast was my Starbucks coffee. So after I got my Starbucks coffee, I ended up doing a phone call with Erica from Time to Shrink. We are going to be releasing a keto meal 45 minutes or under with keto Instapot recipes, keto sheet pan recipes. I will link our pre-sale for our Ecourse that will be coming out December 18th down below. It's on sale for only $12. The price is going to go up big time once the new year hits, so get it for the pre-sale, but it's going to be awesome. Erica, if you haven't seen Time to Shrink's YouTube channel, she has amazing keto recipes, and I'm super stoked to team up with her to do this e-course to make royal weight loss meets real life and marriage it together with her amazing recipe creation and my tactile tools for meal prepping along with these easy keto recipes. After I talked with Erica, I wanted to get some bone broth in from Fond Bone Broth. I love their bone broth, it's so good. So I will link it down below. I have an affiliate link if you're interested in their subscription where they auto ship. You can do it once a week, once every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or whatever. I get it once a week shipped to my house, and then that way it ensures I don't overeat during a day. With my keto macros, I found that I was overeating sometimes, and so since using Fond Bone Broth, it's really helped keep me full. It ensures that I get my high fats in, because the keto, of course, is high fat, moderate protein, low carb, and it makes it super, super easy just to kind of dump their glass jar in, stir it around, warm it up, and then just drink it out of a mug. Good job. So I took my little boy out for an awesome, we went to the park, we played a little soccer, we ran around. I did not work out today, but I did run around with my little boy. I was intentional about getting my run around time. Oh, I'm gonna be in Northern Virginia. This is a good deal. Buy 1 pound, get 1 pound free on certified organic, humane. I'm going to go stop in and get these later today because those can freeze $5 a pound. It's buy 1, get 1 free. $5 a pound. That's a good deal. I won't get the apple sausage, but I will get probably the turkey sausage and the chicken sausage. And if they have any other kinds, I'm going to snag those too. I just saw a huge discount online. I'm a part of a local Facebook group, and it's Gentle Harvest in Marshall, Virginia. If you're near Northern Virginia, it's just right off 66, headed to Shenandoah Valley. But anyways, they're organic, humanely raised. They have a lot of meats, and they have a whole grocery store that's local shop that is organic, like humanely raised, really good meat products and other things that they have there too. So anyways, I'm gonna go check out their sale. It's buy 1, get 1 free of their sausage, which is usually, I want to say $10 or $12 a pound, and it's 50% off. Hello. So I'm gonna go, and I cleared out some room in my refrigerator and my freezer to make way to hopefully buy a big haul of this organic sausage meat and do a bunch of meal prep with it. So I just got home. I need to unload all of that sausage now. My little boy is napping heavily right back there. He's hardcore snoring in a deep coma. So I'm going to sit here for a few minutes, get some things updated on social media, and then I'm going to unload all of this sausage. The butcher was so nice and packed it super tightly. So I'm going to put it in some additional like Ziploc bags just to make sure it freezes well, and then also start mapping out my meal plan is now going to change based off of all this influx of meat. But I looked at my receipt and I saved $150 on sausage. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Gentle Harvest has such amazing high quality meat, and it's humanely raised, organic, great quality of meat, and it tastes so good. So anyways, I'm trying to figure out how, with my little boy sleeping, I'm going to unload all of this into my freezer and then plan out the next couple of days of meals are going to shift based on what we just purchased. I am so excited. That was so much fun, and literally 50% off sausages. They had tons: kielbasa, bratwurst, pork breakfast sausages, regular sausages, an herb de Provence. Like, I cannot wait to go and pack all these goodies. Next, there was a huge meat sale going on at Gentle Harvest, which is in Marshall, Virginia. I was super stoked that I saw it on Facebook of all places. I went there to go stock up. Literally, I saved over $150 on buying this organic, beautiful sausage that was in my freezer. So I got to load it all up. I will be doing that on an upcoming Sunday's YouTube video for keto meal prep. You will see how I use that for keto on a budget and how I can repurpose that. But I did end up using the sausage for my lunch. My keto lunch was sausage pizza. So I just simply took the sausage, put it in my hand. I simply took the sausage, put it in my cast iron skillet. I had put some olive oil down first, put the sausage down, let it cook for a couple of minutes, and then I squished it, flipped it over, squished it with my spatula to make a very thin crust on it. Let it cook, flip it back over, let it cook. And then I put you could use basil pesto or tomato sauce. I did have some Aldi 29-cent canned tomato sauce that is very low carb, low sugar relative to other things. So I put that on top with a little bit of cheese. I cut some cheese and put that on top. It was delicious, super filling. I did have 2 cups of spinach with it because I do love having potassium that comes with spinach. So I had that with some olive oil and some apple cider vinegar as my dressing just to get some leafy greens in. So if you're finding this video helpful, smash the like button, click subscribe, get my free keto diet meal plan, which is in the description link below. Back to the video. And then I did have later on the remaining part of my Starbucks green tea that I had in my reusable mug. My hot husband did end up taking me out for date night. I did end up having sparkling water with limes. They did have this awesome, amazing appetizer. It was Brussels sprouts cooked in bacon. It was so good, guys. It was so good. I shared that with my husband. And then for my meal, I did have a bacon and egg cheeseburger that was heavenly. It was so good. It was locally sourced organic beef. The restaurant's 117 if you're in the Front Royal area. I love it because everything is locally sourced within 117 miles to it, and usually they have organic things and things like that. So this was the nightly special that they had, and I did end up also getting it with a side salad too with some Thousand Island dressing. A super filling meal, and I ended having that at 7 o'clock, and so it was really well for a great 16-8 for intermittent fasting along with the ketogenic diet. It was so good, and I felt really good. Hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, click subscribe with the bell notifications, and make sure you sign up for my free keto diet meal plan, which is down in the description link below. We'll see you again next time for a full day of keto eating. If you want to see what do I eat in a day on keto, I have a whole playlist down in the description link below too. You can check out all those videos across my 83-pound weight loss journey. Make it a powerful day. Bye, friends.